Hello, how to solve for x and y in this equation where x and y are member of natural number. We have x squared minus y squared is equal to 56. Solution. Then we have the given equation x squared minus y squared is equal to 56. We want to find the value of this x and the value of y. Then this is in the form of perfect square. Take note of this, that if you have a square minus b square, this is equal to a plus b bracket a minus b. Then this can be written as s plus y bracket x minus y is equal to 56. Now here 56 is a product of 1 multiplied by 56, then 56 multiplied by 1, then 2 multiplied by 28, 28 multiplied by 2, and 4 multiplied by 14, and 14 multiplied by 4. Then we have 7 multiplied by 8, also 8 multiplied by 7. And from here, if you look at this, we have s plus y multiplied by s minus y. Here, s plus y, this is greater than s minus y. So therefore, here 1 is less than 56. So this is cancelled. Then 56 is greater than 1. This is accepted. 2 is less than 28. This is cancelled. 28 is greater than 2. This is accepted. Then also 4 is less than 14. This is cancelled. 14 is greater than 4. Here is accepted. And here we have 7 is less than 8. This is cancelled. Then 8 is greater than 7. This is accepted. We have how many cases? 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So from here, we have the first case, which is equal to 56 multiplied by 1. Second case is equal to 28 multiplied by 2. Then third case is equal to 14 multiplied by 4. And then fourth case is equal to 8 multiplied by 7. Now from here, we can see that we have we have x plus y multiplied by x minus y, which is equal to 56. So let's consider the first case. The first case will be x plus y is equal to 56. Then x minus y is equal to 1. Now, the second equation will be x plus y is equal to, here is 28. Then x minus y is equal to, here we have 2. The third equation is x plus y is equal to 14. Then x minus y is equal to 4. And the fourth equation is x plus y is equal to 8. Then x minus y is equal to 7. So we can solve the following equation simultaneously using elimination method. Let's start from the first equation here. From the first equation, x plus y equal to 56, x minus y equal to 1. We had the two equations together using elimination method. This will cancel this. S plus s, this is 2. S is equal to 56 plus 1, that is 57. Let's divide both sides by 2, divided by 2. This will cancel this. S is equal to 57 divided by 2. And of course, this is not a natural number. Therefore, this is rejected. It is rejected. Now, we've got the value of s. Let's solve for y using either this first one or the second one. To solve for y, let's use either 1 or 2. We have s plus y is equal to 56. When s is equal to 57 over 2, we have 57 divided by 2 plus y is equal to 56. Then if you multiply all through by 2, we have 57 plus 2y is equal to 56 multiplied by 2. This is 112. Then we have 2y is equal to 112 minus 57. 2y is equal to 55 divided by 2 divided by 2. This will cancel this. Now y is equal to 55 over 2. This is not a natural number, so it is also rejected. From second case, let's consider the second case. We have x plus y equal to 28. Then s minus y is equal to 2. Let's solve this equation together by adding it together using elimination method. This will cancel this. 2s is equal to 28 plus 2. This is 30 divided by 2. This divided by 2. This will cancel this. S is equal to 2 here 1, 2 here 15. And of course, this is a natural number. So let's solve for y using either equation 1 or equation 2 here. For y, we have x plus y is equal to 28. When x is 15, we have 15 plus y equal to 28. Y is equal to 28 minus 15. Then y is equal to 13. And this is also a natural number. Now let's consider the third case. From 3, the third case, we have x plus y equal to 14. Then x minus y is equal to 4. Now we can solve this simultaneously by adding the two equations together. This will cancel this. We have 2x is equal to 14 plus 4. That is 60, 70, 80, 90, 20. That is 18. Then let's divide it by 2. divided by 2. This will cancel this. 2 here 1, 2 here 9. X is equal to 9. And of course, this is also a natural number. Then we can solve for y when x is equal to 9. Then for y, we have s plus y equal to 14. When s is equal to 9, we have 9 plus y is equal to 14. Y is equal to 14 minus 9. Then y is equal to 5. This is also a natural number. Now let's consider the fourth case. From fourth case, we have x plus y is equal to 8. Then x minus y is equal to 7. Now from here we can add the two equations together. X plus x, this is 2x, this will cancel this. 8 plus 7, that is 15. Let's divide both sides by 2. Divided by 2, this will cancel this. This s is equal to 15 divided by 2. And of course, this is not a natural number and it is rejected. Then let's solve for y. For y, we have x plus y equal to 8. Then when s is equal to 15 over 2, we have 15 divided by 2 plus y equal to 8. Let's multiply all through by 2. We have 15 plus 2y equal to 8 times 2, 16. Then 2y is equal to 16 minus 15. Now 2y equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 divided by 2. This is also rejected. Therefore, the final answers are s comma y is equal to then 15 comma 13 and 9 comma 5. This is the final answer. We can check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation x squared minus y squared is equal to 56. When x is equal to 15 and y is equal to 13, we have 15 squared minus 13 squared must be equal to 56. Then 15 squared, this is 225 minus 13 squared, 169 must be equal to 56. If you subtract 169 from 225, we have 56 is equal to 56, which is true. Also, when x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 5, let's check. We have x squared minus y squared is equal to 56. Then when x is 9, we have 9 squared minus 5 squared must be equal to 56. 9 squared, this is 81 minus 25 must be equal to 56. 81 minus 25, we have 56 is equal to 56, which is also true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.